Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to verify Skrill account with a credit card statement. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and just type Skrill to double check if your Skrill needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Basically, you can verify your account with many different ways, and you can verify your credit cards on Skrill by completing a card deposit to your Skrill account by selecting a credit or debit card from the deposit section of your account, and then following the steps, and a 4-digit verification code is automatically generated, and click on increase limit link, and then you're gonna be able to verify a new way to verify that this is your account, and it will be available to you after a successful deposit. And basically after you enter the code, just deposit your amount of money. All right, and how long does it take to verify my credit or debit card? The code will appear on your card statement once the transaction is settled, usually a few days after you have made the payment, depending on how quickly your bank or card issuer displays transactions on your account and how you access your statements. Card verification can take anything from a few seconds to a few days. Right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.